So what we got here is the Ford S-Max ST-Line 2020. It's installed with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser System. So if a thief copies or clones your key, as you can see, the vehicle will not start. It is fully immobilized. So no code, you're not able to drive this vehicle. So when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your code. It is a custom pin code, so you can say to what combination you want. It's fully customizable. So at the moment we got it set to a demo button. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 indicator flashes. That lets you know the Ghost has been disarmed. And now you can see the vehicle turns on as normal. So no code, you're not able to drive this vehicle. So it stops high-tech thieves from copying your key and driving off with the vehicle. If you want the Ghost 2 installed on your vehicle, come visit our Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gants Hill, or see the link down below to purchase it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.